Hello, our class today is to compare equality and inequality. This is comparing identical and different things. When we are comparing equality and inequality, we can have affirmative and negative forms. For affirmative forms, we can use a construction as. For example, he's grown so much. He is as tall as his father now. The team is still as good as it was 5 years ago. The second game didn't go as well as the first one. The company is not performing as successfully as it did when Arthur Carling was the president. As you can see, we are not including any ending to the adjective. We only include as. The negative form includes the particle not. For example, he didn't run as fast as he did in the European Championship. He didn't pay as much tax this year as last year because he earned less. As we can see in this picture, Katie and Brad are the same age. She is 25 years old and he is 25 years old. That characteristic is identical. We can say that Katie is as old as Brad. When we talk about their height, we can see that Katie is 1 meter 68 centimeters and Brad is 1 meter 85 centimeters. So we can say that Katie isn't as tall as Brad. Let's practice equality and inequality. Sushi in Sushi-ito is as delicious as sushi in Sushi Roll. Sara isn't as cheap as Suburbia. Suburbia isn't as expensive as Sara. Pizza in Little Caesars isn't as expensive as pizza in Domino's. Pizza in Domino's isn't as cheap as pizza in Little Caesars. Tacos al pastor are as delicious as tacos de barbacoa. Remember, when we want to compare identical situations, we use as, the adjective, and as. When we want to talk about differences among two objects, we use not, as, the adjective, and as. Thank you very much for watching.